I will be your guide for this visit. Welcome to the Perfumeries Fragonard. You have to know that here you are in one of the oldest factories of Grasse, as it exists in 1782, and Fragonard decided to install here in 1926, created by Eugène Fuchs. It's a generations, and it's today the fourth generation that is at the because Eugène Faulx, the creator, decided to give an honor to one of the most famous citizens of Grasse, Jean-Honoré Fragonard. We have the map of the raw materials, and we are going to concentrate on France, where we decided to represent the flowers of the region. So we have the May of Rose, Jasmine, Orange Blossom, Mimosa, Violet, and Blue. Here and underwater that is heated to 100 degrees Celsius that will be transformed into steam and will carry out the scent-bearing components that will go through this and in this vase here. In this vase there is a coil that is immersed into cold water that will just condense the molecules and transform them into a liquid. So we place our empty bottles on this machine the perfume, and in a glass bottle it will just make it change color and smell, and it will last only for 2 years, whether in an aluminum bottle for 7 years. So it's a lot more beneficial. The first one is Orange Blossom. Most of the time, real argan oil doesn't really have a really good smell, so that's why we decided to add 5% of essential